I want to show you a totally different semiconductor company. Take a look at this chart. Boise, Idaho-based chipmaker Micron jumping more than 80% over the last 52 weeks and seeing gains again of 1.5% today following way better than expected earnings that came out after the bell yesterday. But what happens when the dueling tariffs from both the Trump administration and, conversely, the Chinese go into effect on July 6th? We ask that because Micron puts their U.S. manufactured products into Chinese products, which, going to China, then get put in the products and then come back to the U.S. for sale here. Joining me now to find out in a Fox Business exclusive is Micron CEO Sanjay Mehrotra. Sanjay, wonderful to have you back on the show again. Micron's on fire right now, so let's start with the good stuff. I'm always accused of being a Chicken Little and talking about the bad stuff, so I'm going to go for the good stuff right now. What is it that you have done, and I'm saying it's you because I've covered Micron forever, and it's been a very volatile company. Since you arrived 2 years ago after the company bought your SanDisk company that you co-founded, this stock has been unbelievably strong. What did you change when you got there?
So, Liz, first of all, great to be on your show here.
Thank you.
And I've been with Micron now slightly over 1 year. It's a great team, the tremendous technology that the company has built over the course of last 40 years, and very excited about taking Micron to the next level in terms of the markets today that are totally data-driven really need Micron's memory and fast storage. That means DRAM and flash solutions. And we at Micron are extremely focused on strengthening our cost competitiveness and building a portfolio of high-value solutions, which really reflected in the record results that we delivered in the third quarter and the great guidance that we provided for the fourth quarter as well. So we are extremely focused on leveraging our technology and delivering execution.
Okay, but when you talk about cost competitiveness, I get nervous. I want to hear about the organic growth that you see going forward. And when we say organic, it means you guys being smart and creating new products and doing incredibly well versus just trimming here and there.
Liz, we grew our business in the third quarter 40% in revenue on a year-over-year basis. And we have great confidence in the future of the company and the markets that we are addressing and our capabilities. That in the third quarter, we also announced a $10 billion share buyback program, which will begin in our fiscal year 19, which starts in September. In terms of our markets, look at data center market. I mean, that really needs more memory, more flash storage in order to really enable real-time data analytics and data-driven value-added services. So that's one of the fastest growing areas for us. And then, of course, smartphone with features like facial recognition and high-resolution multiple cameras, they drive more need for more DRAM and more flash storage. So we are focused on bringing solutions to our customers that they want, engaging closely with them in defining the roadmap for the future. And the company is really executing well here.
I mean, it's so obvious. And you corrected me, rightly so. You've only been there a little over a year, which, interestingly enough, coincides with this unbelievable move in the stock, Sanjay. So props to you and your team. I'm not asking you to comment on the specifics of the Intel situation, but you just said that your server business for those chips is doing gangbusters. So was Intel's. Paul Otellini, the previous CEO, really kind of got that going, and it became, in a very short time, a $10 billion business for Intel. Does maybe this distraction for Intel give you guys a leg up?
We have had great relationship with Intel over the course of last 10 years. Intel relationship is multifaceted. You know, they're a customer, we are a supplier to them, they're an ecosystem player in terms of driving the demand and designs for more memory as well as more storage. Yesterday in our earnings call, we also talked about that we have been engaged in discussions with them over the future 3D XPoint, a unique technology that lies between NAND and DRAM, that we are engaged with them in terms of future collaboration terms, and we want to make sure that for Micron we drive strong ROI. And we mentioned in our earnings call that basically, stay tuned as our discussions progress. As appropriate, we'll update our investors. So we look forward to continue to work with the team there.
Okay. I have to ask you if you've modeled for the cloud on the horizon, and that is July 6th, when the trade tariffs kick in. Chinese products coming here will be taxed, and then, of course, they are going to do retaliatory tariffs tariffs on U.S. products that are going in. Have you modeled, how do you see that affecting your company? And have you applied for a waiver to be exempt from the Chinese tariffs?
So, Liz, what I'll tell you is that the $50 billion part of the tariffs, where the specific line items have been spelled out, when we look at that, and as we understand it, we do not see any impact, basically minimal impact of that to our business. Of course, as you know, the situation is fluid. We continue to monitor it in terms of developments on an ongoing basis. Without any further specifics, I can't really comment. But again, the specifics on the $50 billion line item tariffs that I think you're referring to,
yes,
basically they have minimal impact in terms of our revenue opportunity.
If it ramps up to the $200 billion that the president has threatened, and then China says, fine, we'll match that, then will it start? Do you anticipate this affecting you guys at all? I can't imagine how it couldn't. And again, have you applied for a waiver?
So, Liz, I mean, we really have to wait and see what the specifics turn out. Until we see the specifics, can't really speculate. But we are optimistic that these negotiations that are going on between the two countries will ultimately be resolved in a positive way for all parties, because there is no question that, global economies do thrive on the three basic principles of frictionless trade, fair competition, and respect for intellectual property.
Yeah. Sanjay, wonderful to see you. Great to see a company like Micron and you, a Cal Bear graduate, yay, doing so well.
Absolutely.
We'll see you next time. Sanjay Mehrotra of Micron.
Absolutely.
Good to see you.